You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA 3 News at 6.
They promised the county that they could make it work. Now they're basically saying they can't make it work.
Healthcare access advocates' concerns are high over the proposed sale of the largest nursing home in Champaign County. Good evening, I'm Jessica Coons.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. The owner of University Rehab in East Urbana wants to sell it. It would be turned into a substance use disorder treatment center. Our Target 3 investigative reporter Renee Cooper is with us. Renee, the current owner bought it from the county in 2019, and now they are asking the county to let them sell it.
That's the idea, Jennifer. The proposed seller is William Rothner. He's the owner of Evanston-based corporation Altitude Health Services. Now, a few years after buying University Rehab, Rothner is claiming the county has an overabundance of nursing home beds. Advocates at Champaign County healthcare consumers say that's misleading, and countywide quality of care has been dropping ever since that 2019 sale.
It was probably the most devastating situation I've experienced in my 25 years of working at Champaign County healthcare consumers.
Executive Director Claudia Lenhoff remembers the transformation of a county-operated facility into the existing corporate-owned University Rehab.
My mom was very sick at that time, and I could not imagine her being in a place like the places that they operated.
The new owner committed to continue to operate the Urbana facility as a nursing home until 2027. Now, he's asking the county to amend that agreement, arguing that 68% of nursing home beds in the vicinity are unused, and demand for this type of care is declining.
But they already knew all of those trends before they purchased the nursing home.
If you count just Champaign County beds, not the ones more than 20 miles away, there are 643 beds. Closing University Rehab would cut it to 400.
About 4% of Americans who are over age 65 live in nursing homes.
Based on Champaign's population, the county needs more than 1,100 beds. Even at a more conservative 2.5% of the senior community needing care, Champaign County currently requires 705 beds. So why are so many sitting empty?
So I think a lot of people are having to be sent outside of the community. I know that this has happened over and over to my clients. So if you have a nursing home that is having problems with quality of care, you're going to get less patients.
University Rehab has 2 warning signs next to its Medicare.gov rating. This facility is unrated, meaning it has a history of serious quality issues. Lenhoff shared a story of a recent patient who was transferred from a hospital in Champaign-Urbana to a nursing home 30 miles away.
None of her friends could visit her there because they were low income. The bus doesn't go there. She died 3 days later, and she died alone. And she had a community here. It's pretty simple. You just improve the quality of care.
Now, owner William Rothner was not able to return calls for comment today. I did talk to the Champaign County executive who says they weren't able to fill beds back when the county owned the facility, but she agreed the vacancy number would be inflated by an inability to staff all of the beds. We want to hear from you. If you're infected in any way by this possible sale, email us at target3@wcia.com. Back to you.
All right, Renee, thank you. The Champaign County Board's Committee of the Whole will hear arguments on both sides tomorrow. If the committee votes yes, it'll move on to a final vote at the next regular board meeting expected next Thursday. Tomorrow night's meeting is at 6:30 in the Brookings Administrative Center in Urbana.